Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LandWatch to find rental-ready land plots, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type landwatch.com and press enter. Once the LandWatch homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the location where you want to find rental-ready land plots. You can specify additional filters such as price range, property type, and size. After entering your criteria, click on the search icon to view the results. Browse through the listings to identify suitable land plots. To narrow down your options, use the filters provided on the left sidebar. Click on a plot that interests you to view more details. On the property detail page, review the information including size, pricing, and amenities. If you want to save this listing for future reference, select the Save option, usually found on the page. Click on that link to start the registration process. Fill in the required personal information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. You may also see options to choose your preferences for property alerts. Make your selections and proceed by clicking the Submit or Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from LandWatch. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your subscription. Once confirmed, you will start receiving notifications about rental-ready land plots that match your preferences. You can also return to your LandWatch account to modify your search criteria or update your subscription settings at any time. With these steps complete, you are now ready to explore rental-ready land plots with LandWatch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.